Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this wireless microphone. So a couple things, just first off, this isn't my first one I've purchased. This is the first one of this brand, but I had one before. When I first started doing recordings with my phone, I didn't realize that the phone had such a bad microphone for distance. So I was recording a video on, I think it was a security system install, and I had it set up behind me on a tripod, my phone. And so it was when I turned away and started recording, no one could hear what I was saying. Not realizing this, I thought the microphone would just be able to pick everything up. So I got a lavalier microphone, and I really like these things. So this comes with two microphones. I got some more because the one I had before, it broke. It wasn't the item's fault. I think because when taken out of the phone, I broke a little part in there. Okay, so enough with that. Here is what you get in this. You get a couple of microphones, so that's nice. You can have two people talking and you get that whole conversation. This has an adapter, so you can either use this for Apple, Android, or PC. All right, and we'll get this out of there. So basically here is the part that's going to plug into your, if you have Android, this is a USB-C, and that's just going to plug right into the bottom of my Android phone, right like that. And then all you have to do, get out your microphone. So there's a little green light on here. That's going to be flashing, and it's just searching for its little microphone. So when you push the power button on here, that's going to light up. Or you got to hold down the power. Okay. It'll start searching, and when that's green, you're all connected. And it's that simple. There's nothing difficult about this. Just put the little microphone on there. Oh no. Just put the microphone on there like that, and you're good to go. Mine, I just switch over to Pro Video, and it'll say microphone USB right up there, and that's recording off the microphone. I can go 50 feet away from my phone, still talking. You can hear me perfectly. I made a video before walking away using the phone microphone. You're 5 feet away, you can't hear anymore. It's kind of ridiculous. Should be a little bit better, but I understand. That's cool. Okay, and also this can go into your Apple. So to adjust it, if you want to use it for Apple, you just put that in there, just like that, plugs in, and then you just plug this into your iPhone or your Mac or whatever you're recording with. And this one, I'm actually going to try this for PC. I'm going to plug this into my computer, try to hook it up to the OBS that I'm running on right now, and see how that works. All right, my friends, I am actually talking on the microphone right now, hooked it into my computer. It was recognized immediately on my OSB that I'm using. I'm sorry, OBS, OSB. On OBS Studio, and microphone USB audio 1.0 that came up as that. So right now I'm going off of this microphone, and I don't know how the quality is. I'm going to go back and listen to it, but if it's better than the one I'm using or comparative, I might just switch over. It's definitely easier to work with. This one that I normally use, I have to have this wire running and everything like that, so it's just a little more bulky. This one here, I just clip it right on my clothes or wherever, and audio, when I use it on my phone, is great. They're super easy to pair. You just plug it in, press the other one. I've never had it take more than a couple seconds. Like literally, it's like right then, and it's connected. The light turns green. It's easy to see. This one's compatible with Android, Apple, and the PC, and I'm using my PC right now. Yeah, if this is decent, like I said, I'll probably just forego the one I'm using and just continue with this one. I've been impressed with these, and I actually have a couple of these for backup, just in case one breaks, and I can just go right to the other one. I like this. These come with 2 microphones as well. So if I need to talk to someone else, or 2 people, like my son's helping me with my channel now, if we're both doing a build or doing a product review, one of us, we can both wear those microphones, and it's going to go to the same source. It's going to be super easy to set up and everything like that. So yeah, I highly recommend these. I've been using them for a while now. Whenever I'm just using my phone outside away from my PC, I'm using this to record, and so far they've been flawless. I've never had one run out of battery. That's another thing I like with these, getting 2. When I'm making longer videos, like doing full assemblies, I'll just have one on charge, and then if I'm doing back-to-backs, I'll just take the one off the charger and get the one that I used previously charged. Like, I don't know how long these last. I've never had one run out of battery while I've been using it, so they probably last quite a while. But yeah, I really like these. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.